Hello, Bennykins. It's Granny here, and I hear that you want to make my cabbage soup. Oh, I'm so pleased. Well, here it is, my secret recipe. The first thing you want to do is make those hands lovely and clean, and then get your ingredients, your cabbage, your onion, your cabbage, your carrot, your cabbage, your salt, your cabbage. Peel the onion, and when that's done, I want you to chop it thinly into little pieces for the soup. Now, they're mother veggies. You're going to have to wash them, Bennykins, because they're all dirty. But when they're washed, you can peel them and you can chop them too. Now, that's a really big knife, Bennykins, so please be careful. Do it carefully while Mummy is watching. Oh, that cabbage does look nice. When it's ready, you're going to fry the onions and the carrots, giving them a little stir to keep them going. And then you're going to add my delicious cabbage. So much cabbage, as much as you can get in there, Bennykins. Give it a nice stir. And while it's cooking, I want you to put 400 millilitres of water in it to make the soup part. Give it another stir. And then we're going to add a little bit of pepper. And my secret ingredient, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of salt. Lovely and salty. Now, when you've added all of that salt, you've got to give it a lovely big stir, Ben. And then you're going to put the lid on the top as soon as it starts bubbling. Set your timer for 30 minutes. And during those 30 minutes, I'd always do a bit of knitting, I'll have a cup of tea, and I'd go to the toilet as well, Belle. It's very important. When the timer goes off, your soup is ready. Look at all that steam coming off. Oh, it looks so tasty. Spoon it into a bowl, all the nice hearty bits, get all that cabbage in there. And then there you have it, Ben. It's all ready for your din-dins. Oh, Mummy will be proud and so will I. See you soon, my love.